students, welcome back to the class of Standard 8 Computer subject. This is the fourth part of computer networking, and in this part we are going to learn about the various transmission medias that we can use while establishing a computer network. So let us move to our PPT session. Whenever we are going to form a computer network, the computers are connected with each other through different types of transmission media. Now this transmission media is divided into two types. The first one is physical media and second type is wireless media. Now we are going to learn both these types one by one. So let us move to our first type, that is physical media. As the name suggests, physical means the cables are actually getting connected with two devices. Okay, so it is a physical form of connection like wires and cables. Now in this form of physical media, mostly we are going to use the twisted pair cables, coaxial cable and fiber optic cables. So let us learn all these types of cables one by one. So the first type of cable which comes under a physical media is Ethernet cable. This cable is looking like this one. You might have seen this kind of cables whenever you are forming any kind of network or connection with your computer itself. This cable looks like a telephone cable. It connects devices like PC, routers and switches in LAN. But this cable is not preferred for a longer or larger distance. Okay, so these kind of cables are not able to transmit the data over a long range or long distance. The second type is twisted pair cable, which are shown over here like this one. As the name is twisted pair cable, you are able to see here the wires are twisted around each other. These wires are made up with twisting of wires, as the name suggests. Now whenever we are twisting these wires, why we are actually twisting these wires? To reduce the noise during the transmission. So the wires are twisted to reduce the noise destruction while transmitting the data. And the entire cable is covered with a plastic covering. Here is this white part that is considered as a plastic cover itself, and the wires are twisted over here. These are the twisted wires. The third type of physical media is coaxial cable. These coaxial cables are frequently used in computer networks. These are guarded by outer covering, means these wires are having the outer covering on it. And these wires are mostly used in cable TV industry. If you are having a cable at your home, you might have seen these kind of wires which are getting connected to your TV. So these wires are considered as coaxial cable, which are having inside one is a small wire, but that wire will have a hard outer covering. The fourth type of cable is fiber optic cable. Now these are the latest type of cable and mostly and widely used in forming a computer network. So it is the latest and fastest form of physical media for transmitting data in a network. It is made from a thin, flexible glass tubes. Okay, so flexible glass is used, and inside that glass tube the wires are available. It is very expensive and bandwidth is more. As we are using the glass tubes for the wiring, they are little bit expensive as compared to the previous cables which we have seen right now. And bandwidth is more. Now what is meant by bandwidth? Bandwidth is nothing but a range of frequencies which are used for transmitting a signal, that is considered as a bandwidth itself. So bandwidth is more for this kind of cables, but these cables are very much expensive. I have shown you the cables over here. This is how the fiber optic cable will look alike. Now these small white wires are there, now these dots I have shown here. So these are the wires or cables which are made with help of glass tubes, and as they are made up with a glass tube, they can easily break during the installation. So these cables require more care whenever we are going to form a computer network. Now the second type of media is wireless media. Now as the name suggests, wireless means we are going to send the signals through air or space. Now the examples of these kind of signals are infrared signal, microwave signal or satellite signal. So these all type of signals are traveling through air to pass the message from one location to another location. So let us see it in detail. So first media of wireless is infrared technology. It uses short range wireless signal to transfer the digital data from one location to another location. This data is traveled bidirectionally. Bidirectionally means to and fro. If I am having two systems with me, computer 1 will will able to send the data to second computer, and second computer will also able to send the data to first computer. That is considered as bidirectionally. Both the directions we can send the data. This technology is mostly used in television remote and game remotes. Means we are using remote control to control our television channels. So that television remote is having infrared technology inside it. But it is having one disadvantage. What is that? That it only works in a direct line of sight. Means in a straight way only it is going to work. But and again it is not able to pass through walls and obstructions. Means if any obstacle is coming in between the signal or in between the way or path of the signal, then the signal will not pass to another side. The second type of wireless media is Bluetooth technology. It is used to link the devices over short distances. Means if I am having my if I am having a area of my home, I can connect the devices within that particular range. Means shorter distance will be covered with help of Bluetooth technology. The range of Bluetooth technology is from 30 feet to 10 meters. Maximum I can cover the distance up to 10 meters under the Bluetooth technology. The picture is shown over here of the Bluetooth technology. The advantage of this technology is that the signals can pass through the walls or obstructions. In infrared technology, it is not able to pass, the signals are not able to pass through the obstacles, but in Bluetooth technology, even if the obstacles are there, signal can pass through that obstacle itself. The third type of wireless media is wireless LAN, also called as WLAN. It connects the devices over short range using radio waves. As it is a wireless technology, it uses the radio waves to get connected the computers in a LAN. Each computer which is getting connected into WLAN is having network interface card installed on the systems. This technology is very effective, as the users with this technology can move around in coverage area and will be connected to the network at the same time. Means I can move around the area specified by wireless LAN, but still I am connected with the network itself. It is also called as Wi-Fi technology or wireless fidelity. The long form of wireless LAN is wireless fidelity. The range of wireless LAN is up to 30 meters. Up to 30 meters we can send the data or signal without connecting the devices with each other with help of this technology. So Wi-Fi technology is able to send the signals up to 30 meters. This technology I have shown here in a diagram. This is the router which is used a network interface card inside it, and it is having antennas over here. These are the antennas of the routers. These antennas are used to transmit the data signal, and it will keep the devices which are around it, which the wireless LAN will be shown over here. This is the router which is having network interface card installed on it, and this router will have the two antennas over there. Now these antennas are used to transmit the data signal, and with help of this component, the devices which are available in a wireless LAN or which are nearby the wireless LAN, they can get connected themselves with help of to the network. The fourth type of wireless media is wireless MAN. It is also a wireless network. It connects several LAN over a large area. Now we have learned about the types of networks: LAN, WAN, MAN. So MAN is a network which connects the computers over a area like a city or town. So we can connect many LANs inside this wireless MAN, but the connection will be done with help of wireless technology. Means directly we are not going to use the wires to connect different LANs with each other. Now to install this wireless MAN, WiMAX technology is used, and this technology will have the area up to 50 kilometers to get connected. Means up the devices which are in a range of 50 kilometers are getting connected with help of this WiMAX technology. The next type of wireless media is wireless WAN. It is used to connect the computers over a large area. WAN, wide area network. So this technology is generally used to cover the networks under a large geographical area. So as the name is wireless WAN. This type of network is beneficial for companies who are having the branches residing in multiple cities or multiple countries. So there they are going to use this kind of technology to get connected with each other. So in this part we have learned about different types of transmission media like physical and wireless media. Thank you, students.